Right, as a summary to what we are doing, I thought we should just remind ourselves that we've been doing quite a number of things. One, we say that the measure of central tendency identifies a single value that is most typical or representative of the entire set of data. So it's this single value that is most typical or representative of an entire set of data. And we agreed that there are ways in which you can calculate the measure of central tendency. We also actually said that this is called an average. Whatever single value is what we refer to as the average. Now we said that you can calculate using the arithmetic mean, using the median or the mode. And I task my students to go and check on what is quartile. We said that there are many ways of calculating the arithmetic mean, and the arithmetic mean we said had three methods. One was the direct method, where we said this is the formula, and in case you have data that has frequency, then this formula becomes that. So you have got summation of fx over summation of f for this specific value. You can also have the second method, where we say it is assumed mean method, and we said it is x bar equals to assumed mean plus deviation from assumed mean over n. And actually we say that d is what we called x minus a, x minus a. Sorry for my handwriting. And we further said that if it is data that has frequency, again the formula, as you see, this formula here turns into this using the assumed mean method, so that it is f, and we have said that d is the same as x minus a. We also said that the third method was the step deviation method, and for the step deviation method we agreed that it is the same formula here. The only thing is that on this you divide it by a constant. So you have got a plus summation f d prime over summation f times c, and then I think we were able to compute that. We further went to look at computation of the median, and when calculating the median, we did say that median is the n over 2 over 2 ith item, and we say that in case you have got a number of observations, then median will be given by n over 2 plus n plus 2, not plus 2 over 2 for even observations, and for odd observations it's just basically n plus 1 over 2, and that is for mere inspection. But if you're using a formula, then we said that this is the formula we use to calculate the median. This is the formula we use to calculate L plus n over 2 over minus CF over F times I, and we did define. I have not given us some lessons on Q naught, quartile, first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. I'll allow you to go and look at that. And then, of course, we have quite a number of exercise questions. Sometimes you have a distribution here. You've been given the mean, and the task is to find the missing value. Find the missing value. So if you have been given that for two distribution given below, mean calculated from The first is that, the second is this. How do we get what? How do we get the missing values? That is food for thought. Then you have also been given data and you've been asked to find the median if two of these values are missing. If two of these values are missing, given the first and the third quartile respectively, are you able to get the mean? That is also something that we have to think about. Then what else tricks? You have such data again. Find the missing values, because this value is saying that the median and the mode. So you have the median and the mode is that, but these values are missing. So can you combine the median and the mode idea to calculate these missing values? So that is generally what I do expect, and I hope you enjoy your lessons.